Hi, little sunshines. Do you want to color this picture of Old MacDonald's farm with me today? Let's go! First, let's get out all of our markers. For this picture, we'll need pink, green, yellow, blue, brown, black, and red. And of course, we'll need our piece of paper. First, let's color the barn. This is what a barn looks like. So beautiful. What color should we color it? That's right. Let's color it red. Do you see the red marker? Yes, there it is. Let's pick it up and color our barn. Perfect. Let's move this barn over to our farm scene. There it is, our red barn. It's gonna be so pretty. Let's see, what should we color next? How about a pig? Oh, look at that cute little pig. So cute. What color should we make the pig? Yeah, let's make the pig pink. Do you see the pink marker anywhere? Yeah, there it is. Let's go ahead and color our pig all pink. Color, color, color. Color, color, color. Color. Perfect. Let's go ahead and move our cute pink pig over to our farm scene. Hi, pig. Oink, oink, oink. Okay, what should we color next? How about a duck? Yeah, I love ducks. Look at those cute little ducks drinking water. What color should we make it? That's right. Let's make it yellow. Do you see the yellow marker? There it is. Okay, let's color all of our duck. Let's make it all yellow. Perfect. Let's go ahead and move our yellow duck over to our farm scene. Hi, duck. Quack, quack, quack. Okay, what should we color next? Yeah, let's color a cow. There's a cow. He's eating some grass. Let's see, what colors should we make the spots? Yeah, that's right. Let's make them black. Do you see the black marker anywhere? Yeah, there's the black marker. Let's color in all of the spots. Let's make all of the spots black. Perfect. Let's move our cow over to our farm scene. Hi, cow. What does a cow say? Moo, moo, moo. Okay, what should we color next? Yeah, let's do a horse. Oh, look at those horses. Their tails are blowing in the wind. What color should we make our horse? Horses come in all different colors, but let's make this one brown. Let's go ahead and color our horse all brown. Color, 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 color. Perfect. Let's go ahead and move our brown horse over to our farm scene. Hi, horse. Neigh, 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 says the horse. What should we color next? Yeah, that's right. We need some grass in our farm. Look at all of that grass. What color should we make it? Yep, that's right. Grass is always green. Let's see. Do you see our green marker anywhere? Yeah, there it is. Let's go ahead and make all of our grass green. Perfect. Let's go ahead and move our grass on over to our farm scene. There. Perfect. Is there anything else we need? Yeah, a sky. I think we should make a sky. But what color should we make it? Yeah, let's make it a beautiful blue sky. Do you see our blue marker? There it is. Let's color it all in. All of the background will make it blue. Perfect. Now we have our farm scene. It's all finished. What should I do with it? I know, I'm gonna give it to you. Now let's put away our markers. Bye-bye pink. Bye-bye green. Bye-bye yellow. Bye-bye blue. Bye-bye brown. Bye-bye black. And bye-bye red. Thanks so much for coloring with me today, little sunshines. If you loved the video, please don't forget to like it. And subscribe for more videos. See you next time, little sunshines.